In today's video, I will show you how to create easy palm tree nail art. You can draw with a liner brush and a black gel. I will show you how to draw a quick and easy step-by-step palm tree. Let's dive in. These are the products that I'm going to be using. The description box below lists all the products used in this video. First, I'm going to make base colors. I'm using two colors to create a vertical ombre effect. This vertical ombre is easier than you think. I only need a small amount of this process, so adjust the amount of the pink gel polish. I'm polishing the pink color starting from the left side of the nail. Then keep polishing towards the right side. Now grab the orange gel polish with a small amount. Start polishing from the right side towards the left side. The blended colors are visible in the center. Before placing the brush into the gel polish bottle, remember to wipe it with a paper towel or lint-free wipe to prevent contaminating the polish. Cure for 30 seconds. Repeat for the second coat. Apply a small amount of pink gel polish from the left to the right side. Then apply a small amount of orange gel polish from the right to the left side. Cure for 30 seconds. Now I will use this liner brush to create a palm tree. The bristle is 11mm, very thin and flexible, and made in Japan. I will give you the coupon code at the end of the video, so keep watching. Let's prep the liner brush using clear gel. My favorite is this gel top coat with an inhibition layer. It cleans the brush and won't dry too much when stored. Dip the brush into the gel and remove the excess gel using the lint-free wipe. Make sure to move it in a one-way motion. Now the brush is ready to use. Let's load the brush. Dip the brush into the black gel. Pull and rotate to blend it into the brush. I am going to draw the tree in a long line. The more you load into the brush, the longer you can draw. Start drawing the tree from the bottom to the top. If you load the brush correctly, this process should be easy. Then I started drawing the leaves. I wanted to draw precisely, so I used only the brush tip. Keep adding the details of the leaves. I used only the brush tip. And one tree is done. Let's add one more tree under it. Make sure to keep the overall design balanced. Cure for 30 seconds. And just like that, apply a non-wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds. And you are all done. It was super easy. In other ideas, you can create a different background like a beach scene or sunset scene. You can be creative. It's up to you. Let me know what you think. If you want to learn more basic gel nail art techniques, I recommend taking my online course. If you are a beginner, this course is all you need to learn how to start hand painting. If you're a nail artist, this course will help you refresh your skills. In this course, you will learn how to draw a simple flower and also how to hold and move the brush effectively. And here is the coupon code Palm Tree to get 50% off of the brushes I used. Check the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified when I release new videos like this one, and I will see you on the next one.